Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and positioning the machine so the needle is fully raised. This aligns internal parts. Place your spool on the spindle and fasten the cap to prevent wobble, because steady feed matters. Thread the path toward the upper tension discs next, keeping a bit of pull to seat the thread between them. Once done, make sure the thread follows any labeled guides. This prevents skipped stitches and ensures smooth take-up by the tension assembly as you continue. Now you route the thread up to the take-up lever, because it controls thread supply during each stitch. Pull the thread into the lever's eye from right to left if your machine indicates that, then follow the numbered guides down toward the needle bar. Thread each small eyelet and the bar guide carefully. This prevents tangles and maintains proper tension. If the eye near the needle is tiny, use tweezers or a loop tool for accuracy so you don't fray or double loop the thread. Finally, thread the needle from front to back and lower the presser foot so fabric will feed correctly. Turn the handwheel toward you one full revolution to ensure the needle catches the bobbin thread. This verifies correct bobbin pickup. Pull both threads under the foot and make a short test stitch. If stitches are uneven or thread slips, stop, reseat the thread in the tension discs, and clean out lint. That one troubleshooting step fixes most tension-related problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.